My name is Steve Kadhaka. I'm the Regional HIV Coordinator in charge of Kisumu County and Siaya County. And today we are glad to be here at Asat Beach because we are reaching out to the beach management unit and we are training BMU leaders with key HIV prevention messages. We are training both men and women who are involved in the fishing business. And, one BMU leader has capacity of leading about 700 fishermen. And so as National Syndemic Diseases Control Council, we are reaching out to around 140 of these BMU leaders here in Kisumu. And so we are hoping that as we train them to be TOTs and peer educators, they're able to cascade the information that we are going to give them. We are giving them information about HIV prevention, of course, the common ABCs of prevention: abstinence, behavior change, and use of condoms. We're also talking about the use of, PrEP for those who need it, the use of PEP for those who need it, and those who are already, infected, we are actually encouraging them to stick to their treatment. So this outreach activity is going to take 3 days. It's going to take us about 3 days to do this. The TOT training is going to be, it's just, I would call it a sensitization meeting. It will be 1 day, which will be on Friday. And so we are working with different kinds of people. We are working with people from the Ministry of Health. We are working with people from Gender Department because we are talking about gender-based violence, which is common among all these mobile populations. The fishing community, you know that they're always moving. There are times when you move, by the time you come back, maybe your home may not be working very well, and some of them may become violent. GBV actually causes health issues, including HIV.
He's a former DC.